So children, continuing with our solution, you can see I have set my scale on 40, and the reason is that we are having this body of the bearing till a distance of 40. So I am marking, instead of complete drawing a line complete 40, I'll leave some space for rounding off. The same thing I'm going to do here also on this side. Now you can see this, and now on both the sides we are having a height of 15 mm, so I'm making it 15 mm on both the sides. You can see after that I'll be able to join. Now I'm going to once again I'll leave 4 mm of space for this rounding, that is R4, and then I'll complete it. Yeah. If you are having the drafter in your hand, it is very easy to complete because the drafter is having a scale of this same required shape. Here I need to leave some space for rounding off, but instead of leaving the space I am completing it. We can do it later on in next question. In this question we can complete it in this manner. Now drawing this and similarly here. You can see, and this I'm using my scale, but a circle master can be used here to round it off. At the moment I'm not teaching you how to round off the things, I'm just trying to teach you initially how to make the solution. Now there are few students, while drawing the solution, they made the hatching lines in this direction, but instead of making them in this direction, I'll recommend that you make the hatching lines in this direction. And you can see I'm going to draw them. They are thin, faint, continuous lines. So using a drafter, it's extremely easy to make these parallel lines. At the moment I'm not able to arrange one, but shortly I'll be arranging a drafter. So instead of rounding off the thing, I'm completing it so that at least we have a closed figure. And now I didn't mark the space for the holes, so that I'm marking here. You can see this is the distance of 30 mm which I have taken. I can even take the center line upwards, no problem regarding it. Similarly here at a distance of 30 mm I am going to make the center line, and I don't need to make hidden lines on this right side because hidden lines are not asked in the sectional view, and this view is called the sectional view because we are going to make hatching lines over here. Here in this view we are not going to show it cut from here, will not show. It's not that we are not going to draw the thing here, it has to be made complete. We'll be making it complete. Now this dimension is 20 for the whole in front view, so I'm marking from center I'm marking 10 and 10 on this side, both the sides 10. So I'll complete this line, and now I can make the hatching lines. It's very easy now. You must have a drafter for this. At the moment I don't have a drafter, that's why I'm using a scale, but you must use a drafter. Drafter is a better thing to use. It's very easy to work with a drafter, and it's really the performance is inaccurate without a drafter. but I hope I will be able to guide you how to make the solution, and that is the reason I'm trying to demonstrate it to you. I know you will be able to make a very nice solution after this guidance. Everyone in the class will be able to make it. I know this. So here it is. Now my front view is complete. There's no dimensioning. All finishing touches are remaining yet, but basic drawing is here with us. Now in this top view, I have two options. First of all, I can make the solution of this part. First thing I must do is to make the solution of this part, because this part is going to be placed on top. So the few lines of this part will be hidden under this part, and that is the reason I'm going to teach you how to make the solution of bush in 2 dimensions. So for that, see what I'm going to do. I'll mark here. I'm marking 30 mm and 30 mm. Similarly here, I'm going to mark 30 mm and 30 mm. Then I need to mark 22 mm on both the sides, 22 and 22. Then I need to mark 16 and 16. So I have marked these distances here. Similarly, I am marking them here because at the moment I don't have a drafter. So for making straight lines and accurate lines, I am marking these distances on both the sides. Now 16. So this is 32 and 16. See, look here. This 30 mm part is only for a distance of 6 mm on all the 4 places. So I am going to make it accordingly. 6 mm. at all the 4 places. So it is 6 mm at all the 4 places, and I am completing the block. So this is complete. Now 6 mm. Now see, this 22 mm line is for a distance of 56 plus 6 plus only for 56. So I am going to make it for a length of 56. And 56 here. And then this 16 mm line, this 16 mm line has to be made for 56 plus 6 plus 6. So on both the sides I am making it. Now to complete it, see what has to be done. This line has to come complete, this line has to come complete, and so similarly all these 4 lines will come complete.